Magandang hapon po ng November 6, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5pm result ngayong hapon ng November 6, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 6, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 6, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 104 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 100 million pesos for November 6, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for November 6, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.